This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thank you for clicking that play button. Today, you're taking a closer look at our 2022 Ram 2500 Laramie. With just under 35,000 miles, this crew cab heavy-duty pickup truck is equipped with a 6.4-liter V8 engine, is four-wheel drive, and it does have a clean Carfax with one previous owner. And again, I did want to mention this is a gas 2500. Starting in the front of this Ram 2500, you will find it well equipped with high-intensity headlights, LED daytime running lights, beautiful chrome trim, fog lights, and tow hooks integrated into that lower bumper. Making our way around to the wheel and tire setup, you can see an 18-inch polished aluminum wheel wrapped up in a set of like-new tires, and we'll get to the exact tread depth of those wearables here in just a moment. On the outside of this Ram 2500, you will find it equipped with fixed running boards, tow mirrors, with turn signal indicators integrated into the mirror cap, and passive door entry. Looking inside with the Laramie trim, you'll have a lot of nice elements here. You'll have your leather and gray stitching, and some nice suede elements with brushed aluminum and faux wood grain. And as you can see, that's going to continue throughout the entire interior of this beautiful truck. And of course, you do have your leather bolstered seats here with your gray piping and Laramie stitching. Taking a look into the back seat, your rear passengers will be comfortable, and they will have a flow-through center console with charging, including two USBs, two USB-Cs, and a 115, and then we'll have a fold-down cup holder as well. Coming around to the 6.5-foot bed in the rear, you will see it is equipped with a rear camera and LED reverse light, and of course you do have all your towing equipment. Other features in the rear will include bright LED taillights and rear proximity sensors. And making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options, such as powered door locks, powered windows, and mirror adjustments. And here at All Things Automotive, you will receive two keys for your added convenience. And if you are looking at this listing and you only see one, we are making the second key as we speak. So as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. And located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see the front tires are 9/32, with the rears at 11s. And the brake pads are green, good to go, along with everything else has been done and ready for the next buyer. Upon startup, you can see just under 35,000 miles on this Ram 2500. As far as steering-o-matic controls are concerned, you will have some selector for your center screens and some phone pairing options. And to the right, we'll have some cruise control options. Bringing our attention to the beautiful touchscreen display, 8.5 inches, you will see this vehicle is equipped with heated front seats and a heated wheel. And of course, let's go ahead and take a look at our nice large backup camera, very crystal clear. And up top, you can see you do have some storage with 12-volt charging. This infotainment center also offers smartphone integration as far as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Some other controls for your heated seats and heated wheel. And down below, you'll have some simple climate controls. And this particular Ram 2500 is equipped with your integrated trailer brake control, tow haul mode, and proximity sensors in the front and rear. Down below, we will have more charging as far as USB, USB-Cs. And if we look to the left, you will have your four-wheel drive selector and your dial style rear selector. And if we bring our attention up top, you'll have your controls for your rear sliding glass, your LED map lights, and your SOS services. And I did want to show off this mega center console here. So you have all this storage up top here, and I'll show you how it's customizable. So let's go ahead and lift up this whole entire piece here, and as you can see, you have plenty of space. Let's go ahead and put this back just with the push of a button. So you have some nice options there. So you can have some storage in the front with cell phone holders with your charging right there. You can go ahead and close that, or you can bring that forward. And what I like about this is there's an upper and a lower as well, so you have another additional storage area here with USB. And under the hood, you will find that 6.4-liter V8 engine. As you can see, very clear of any exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a phenomenal job of making these ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram did also receive a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh PA state inspection. In this last portion of the video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram. Keep in mind, this is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive for you guys. And this is a helpful resource for those of you who are watching this who might be a little bit further away. So we really want to be transparent, and we want you to know what you're walking into before you come take the trip to All Things Automotive. So starting in the front here, you will have some stone chips. Your chrome grille is in okay shape, not more than okay. Just some small blemishes, some wear and tear from the road, as you can see. No dents or dings in the front bumper. Coming up the passenger side, front quarter here, looks good, no dents or dings. Badging looks good, badging looks good. On the mirror cap, you will see some spots, but all in all, okay. I do see some, it looks like this coating is starting to get stressed out here. So not really a chip, but you are gonna see some marks there with the coating. I think it's doing something funky there. And your Ram badging down below looks good. Chrome running boards. Again, not perfect. You will have some cosmetic blemishes on that. And on the back side of these door handles here, which is common, you'll have some scuffs. Taking a look at the interior here, very clean. I didn't notice anything that jumped out at me. You have some suede here as well, kind of trimmed around the leather, which is really, really nice, that gray piping. The headliner, you will have some spots there. It does look worse on camera than it is here. But you are gonna have some stains on the headliner here. Other than that, as far as the trim goes and the seating, the upholstery is good. No rips or tears, no odors. So the only issue I see here is on the headliner. And we may address that anyway. Okay, taking a look at the 6.5 foot bed on top of these bed rails. Minimal scarring here. You will have scarring from cargo going in and out. Keep in mind, this is a truck, right guys? Drop in bed liner, pretty good shape. This truck has been used, and that's good. That's what they're for. Okay, tail lights are very clear. No cracks, no condensation. Ram badging good. The back chrome bumper, no dents or dings. You have your rear proximity sensors back here. No curb rash on any of the wheels that I've seen. The running boards are in good shape, but you will have some scuffs here behind the door handles. And here and ending here on the driver's side mirror cap, pretty good shape with some minor cosmetic blemishes, with the largest area being that those stains on the headliner. So if you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com, where you can shop online 24/7. Guys, it's super easy to get yourself pre-approved. It only takes 10 minutes. And make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this Ram does qualify. So come on out and see us. We're here at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. I hope you found this video informational. Thanks and have a great day.